Kia ora, ko maungatere te maunga, ko rakahuri te awa, ko ngai tahu, taku iwi, ko Leanna, tarua kupa, taku ingoa. What's your go-to coffee order? Oh, very simple. Coconut milk latte, and I don't even have to order it anymore because Pity knows my order. Kia ora. What's something you've done that would impress your younger self? Whew, so many things. But I'm gonna have to say definitely a handstand. Like, do you want me to show you? Okay, why not? Nothing much. What's a phrase you overuse but can't stop saying? So many things. Cause why? Shush. I tend to actually always say morena, just like that. There'll be plenty more. If TahuFM was a person, what kind of mate would they be? Okay, that's real easy. You know, like when you go to a whānau barbecue and you're looking around waiting for your favorite cousin to walk in, and then they walk in and they light up the party and they talk to everyone, and all the aunties go and say, oh, kia ora, love you. And low-key, they're the favorite. That's the type of mate TahuFM would be. What emoji sums you up at work? I'm gonna say, you know the emoji that its eyes are like this and its tongue's poking out? And it kind of looks a little bit like, oh! Yeah, that's me. What's your fun fact that's actually a flex? Lots of those too. So recently there was a viral TikTok about sticky TV and the younger generation of children being so heartbroken over the presenters leaving, one of those being me. Describe working at TahuFM in 3 words. The best ever. If your life had a soundtrack, what song would play when you enter a room? Definitely Bob Marley, Is This Love, but I really love the Alan Stone version. We'll stay together on my single bed. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Yes, it is. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?